Hi, my name is Latane Wilma and this is my project on nursing careers and college research. My careers of choice are public health medicine, health administrator, and certified nurse midwife. My choices of education are New York University and University of Minnesota. University of Minnesota accommodates two of my career choices. This is why I only have two colleges. What I really want to be is a healthcare professional. This occupation falls under public health medicine. In this field, people work towards improving healthcare, controlling infectious diseases, and helping people stay healthy. To gain employment in this field, I will need a medical degree in public health. 20 years from now, I see myself having my own business spread widely across the world. I also see myself helping people find cures for some of the infectious diseases all over the world. In my college education, I like to experience some of the things I will one day experience, just to see how I could work in certain conditions. I chose University of Minnesota because it teaches you to be leaders in society, and one day I'd like to achieve this goal. A certified nurse midwife is a more advanced and more specific practice of registered nursing. They care for the mother and child during the course of pregnancy. If you are in high school and thinking of becoming a certified nurse midwife, you must have a minimum GPA of 3.0 and also have taken a statistics course and a basic research course at the undergraduate level. As a nurse midwife, one could potentially be earning $75,000 to $110,000 a year. The entry wage would be $70,000 and the average wage would be $82,000. This wage is expected to increase by 26% between 2010 to 2020. Employment can be found in hospitals, birthing centers, public health departments, and private practice. Connections can be found at www.midwife.org. New York University offers college education for someone who is interested in becoming a certified nurse midwife. The address is 70 Washington Square S, New York, New York 10012. The phone number is 212-998-1212. You can find more information at www.nyu.edu. In 2012, 50,917 students were enrolled at New York University. In New York, 8.337 million was the population. This was also in 2012. The tuition at New York University is $36,529. The living expenses equals $24,000. The estimated total cost is $64,529 US. To be accepted into NYU, you must have a SAT reading score of 620 out of 710, SAT math score of 630 out of 740, SAT writing score of 640 out of 730, and an ACT score of 28 out of 31. At NYU, 44,560 was the number of students who went to school full-time and part-time. The total male was 18,646, and the total female was 25,870. At NYU, students can participate in Student Resource Center, NYU TV, or Spiritual Life at NYU. Public health medicine is a job for someone who is interested in improving health care, controlling infectious diseases, and helping people stay healthy. As a high school student, if you're interested in this career, take as many math, science, and English courses as possible. Earning potential equals $40,000 to $100,000. The entry wage is $40,000. Average wage is $88,580. The growth rate is estimated to be 23% between 2012 and 2022. Employment can be found in offices, healthcare facilities, such as hospitals, nursing homes, and group medical practices. Connections can be found at sph.un.edu or www.bls.gov. Health administration is the leadership management of health systems. Math, English, and science subjects are required in high school if you're thinking of going into this field. Earning potential is $137,800. Entry wage is $30,000. Average wage is $100,000. The growth rate is estimated at 22% from 2010 to 2020. Employment can be found at general medical and surgical hospitals, offices, and home health care services. Connections can be found at www.healthcareers.com. University of Minnesota is located 420 Delaware Street, SE, Minneapolis, MN 55455. The phone number is 612-624-6669. Website sph.unn.edu. In-school population 1,256. Tuition per credit 1,116. Residents 858. The admissions requirements: bachelor's degree, 3.0 GPA, and GRE scores. Pros of going to UMN are accommodate 2 career choices, small classes, and it's big. Cons: out of state, far from home, and I don't know anyone. NYU. Pros: living in New York City, opportunities and climate. The cons: huge classes, very competitive, and riskier for medical school. Public health medicine. Pros: help find cure for diseases, help people stay healthy, improve health care. Cons: overworked, may not find cure for diseases, and stress. Healthcare administration. Pros: high earnings, improve quality care for patients, job security. Cons: long hours, a lot of responsibility, and requires dealing with complex regulatory policies. Certified nurse midwife. Pros: good salary, prescriptive authority, and help empower women. Cons: brutal hours, overwhelmed, and not get along with patients.